Now, let me tell you something. You know, this would not have been a Burlington, okay, haul if I wasn't putting no shades on. Honey, you see these shades, these Jessica Simpson? Ignore the big brick alarm piece that they got on there, honey, because people be stealing, okay? But these Jessica Simpsons, these are cute, child. Fancy, pancy, mancy. Something new. Or when I see something that I like, honey, I just get excited, okay? I get so excited. Honey, check this out. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. So today we are at Burlington. Let's see what they have inside. Okay, so Burlington, they have this dress right here. This is cute. I like this brown, the brown of the belt, the brown with the gold. Okay, and this is $19.99. Fancy, pancy, mancy. Really cute. Thing that I really don't, we gonna focus on what we do like, okay? Because these, you see here, this is all like, you gotta go through there, okay? But Burlington definitely be having some good deals, okay? Like this green jogger set. Okay, this is cute. Okay, so this says Los Angeles 98. Okay, it has the gray hoodie, and this jogger set is $20. Really cute. When it comes to active tops, okay, this New Balance, now let me tell you something, okay, because I remember going to one store, okay, we ain't gonna say their store name, but going to a store and getting a New Balance bra, active bra like this, okay, and it was more than $9.99. I think that bra was $20, okay? But this bra is $9.99. I love the color, really cute, the texture. So Burlington, they also have this 2-pack short set, okay, active wear for $12.99. Honey, let me tell you something. For 2 packs for $12.99, that is a deal still. And they also come in green. And look at the pockets, okay? Really cute. The mesh right here. I absolutely love this. And this is $12.99 as well. They also have the active bras over here, and these are honey, $6. Okay, $6 for these active bras. And these, they come in just the green right here, this green yellowish, okay? Yeah, and then they also have this color right here. Let's look at the back. You see the back, the details, honey, had those straps, they cross, all right? And this is $5.99. Honey, where you gonna get that from? $5.99, okay? And then they also have this green right here, okay? The green with the blue and the black are really cute. And this is $7.99. So when I tell you fancy pancy now, I like these, okay? So this is from Reebok, okay? And for those winter days, okay, you know it get cold. If you from New Jersey, honey, you know it get cold out here, okay? These are $24.99, not bad at all. Not only do they have the pink, they also have the white. Honey, if you feeling fancy pancy, and this one is from BB, okay? Let's see how... $24.99. Chill, get into this, okay? With the hood, that's, honey, they want everybody to know what you have on, okay? They want everybody and their mama to know what you wearing, okay? All right, they put that right on their hood. They also have the zipper with it that says BB. Honey, this and this material is really good. I absolutely love this. This is cute. Let me know in the comment section which ones you guys like best. Do you like the white one or the pink one? Me personally, I love the white one, although it may get a little dirty, okay? But that's what the washing machine is for. This is cute. Burlington also have this Calvin Klein jean sweater. I absolutely love this. Now, this is $17.99. Okay, I love sweaters like this. You see how that black is? This is really, really cute. Absolutely love it. Right when I thought that they only had the BB sweater in the white, that pink sweater is Reebok, but the BB sweater, it also comes in the black. So if you're like, oh, I don't want it to get dirty, I don't want to get that white, honey, they have this, okay, in the black, and this one is $24.99 as well. Let's see what the hood, oh yeah, the hood says BB as well, okay. Really, really cute, fancy, pancy, mancy. One of the things that I like when I do come to Burlington is their bags, okay? Their bags are really inexpensive, all right? So they have this one, Juicy Couture bag. This is $14.99, and I love how they have the heart tag on there. Really, really cute. They have this Guess bag. Let's see how much this is. This Guess bag is $38 with the gold rim. Really, really cute. They have more Guess bags down here, okay, and this is, honey, $30, okay, for that Guess bag. Really, really cute. They also have this bag right here, and this is a cool red handbag, all right, and this is also Juicy Couture. Honey, let me just, yeah, Juicy Couture, and this is $25. Absolutely beautiful. So Burlington also have this DKNY bag. Honey, do you like this? I'm feeling this, okay? I'm feeling the details of this, especially with this gold chain. Absolutely love it. And this is, honey, if I could get this tag, this is $50. Cute. Then they also have this bag, honey. I don't know who this is from, but this is chic, okay? It look basic, but it gives you that feel like, honey, I got money. Honey, it gives you that feel like, honey, I got me some money, okay? Let's see how much this is. This is $33, okay? This is really, really cute, and this is just a black handbag. I thought this was from somebody like Hilfiger or something because of those colors, but it just says black handbag. Honey, get into this DKNY bag. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. You see this? Okay, get into, honey, I want you to get a close-up of this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't remember too many people wearing DKNY, okay, because this is old school, but honey, you could bring it back, all right? This bag is $60. Really, really cute. I like this with some nice leather boots. You could get you some leather shoes from Shein, okay? Those leather shoes from Shein, honey, like $30, okay? Really, really cute. Honey, styling and profiling, okay, this season. So Burlington also have this Calvin Klein bag. Normal price is $198, they say, okay, but they selling it here for $70, okay, and this is cute. Look at, oh, child, I didn't know they was coming through like this with the white on the sides, okay? We also have this Michael Kors bag over here, all right? This is nice. I like how the details is in the front, all right? Let's see how much this is. And this is $130. Really, really cute. Fancy, pancy, mancy. We didn't see this Calvin Klein bag. Let's see this Calvin Klein bag with the little wallet right here. This is cute. Let me see how much this is. All right, so this is $64.99. Really, really cute. Look at this. Nice. All right, so Burlington also have this Juicy Couture, and I think this, the earrings is the bracelet in here. Okay, let's see how much this is. $7.90. Girl, you better hush your mouth. So this is $7.99. They have it for the Juicy Couture. Child, I knew Burlington was inexpensive, but god damn it, I didn't know it was like this. Okay, then they also have this bracelet right here. This is $8.99. Normal price is $15. Child, you better get on down to Burlington. Then they also have this Burlington. I like this Burlington. Child, Dina, get it. Come on, get it together, okay? They have this Juicy Couture right here with the necklace and the earrings, and this is $9.99. Fancy, pancy, mancy. Hell, now I was. Wait, hold on now. Burlington have these earrings right here. These earrings are $7, and I was about to grab me a pair of these, but honey, I don't like the way the shell is on the back. This needs to be closed off. But honey, if it works for you, it works for me. But child, let me tell you something. So I had got these earrings from Shein, the gold ones. I have it right in my jewelry thing. It's a jewelry bag on my door. These are $8, so they have them in silver and they also have them in gold. Child, I was about to make a purchase. I'm happy these not bracelets. Okay, so these are earrings. These are really cute. So they have the gold, the rose gold. They also have the silver, and these are $7. How fancy pancy. I want you to get a real good look at these. These are cute. Okay, so these Jessica Simpson shades, these are $9.99. Honey, cute. You see the rose gold on them? This shirt is absolutely gorgeous. I like this shirt. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this shirt. This is nice. So this is $10.99. Really, really cute. So one of the things that I absolutely love about Burlington is they rugs, okay? The carpet that they have here. So this carpet right here is $100. I'm trying to see the black, how much the black carpet is. Wait, hold on, child. I think it's on here $100 as well, and this is cute. Okay, so Burlington also have these luxury pillows, 2 in a pack. Okay, really, really cute decorative pillows, and these are... Okay, so this is $23. Really, really cute, nice and soft. The material, I absolutely love it. Comes in blue and also red. Okay, so when it comes to these pot sets, look at this aluminum steamer with glass lid, 20 quart, $29.99. Okay, then they also have it in green, $24.99 as well. Really, really cute. This one is a 16 quart, makes up to 45 tamales. Okay, and is this, wait, hold on. Oh, and this is a 20 quart. Okay, so this little girl's coat, honey, absolutely love it, okay? You see the zipper, the rose gold button up here. This coat is $20. Okay, I don't know who this is from though, but this is cute. Let's look at the hood in the back. Very, very nice. How you guys feel about this piece? I like this for the little girls, okay? This is a 2-piece for $15 with the little brown vest. Is a dress, okay? I like it. Okay, so Burlington has these little and, well, these stitch slippers, slides for $13. I'm really, it's giving me cheap. That's what it's doing for me. Okay, so Burlington has these shoes right here. Now, TJ Maxx has something like this, all right? But the heel was not as low. I like this because the heel is low, and these are $25. So they come in burgundy. They also have these silver. I don't care for these. These just not my cup of tea, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this. I really don't care for this. It's just something about it. It's $23, and then they also have the black ones, okay? Now, I do like the black ones, okay? The burgundy and the black ones are my cup of tea, okay? These are $25 as well with the little detailed bow. Really cute. Now, these... I absolutely like these, okay? And these are juicy couture. Ooh, child, I like these. Really cute. Honey, you see this fur in the front? Let's see how much these are. In green, you guys know green is my color, okay? Green and gold. Never forget those two. So these are $30. Not bad at all. Really, really cute. Burlington also have these slippers over here. Don't these just look warm, okay? All right, look warm, all right? Look at these, okay? And these are $9.99. I'm guessing, wait, hold on, because I see these memory foams, and these are $9.99. These feel good, though, okay? Yeah, I believe they $9.99. So these are Dare foams. Ooh, chill. The inside nice and cozy. My fingers feel comfortable up in here, okay? All right, so just imagine how your toes gonna feel. Child, when I tell you, you better get to Burlington immediately. You see these boots. Child, these boots are gorgeous. Let's see how much these are. Child, this is an excellent deal, okay? $27 for these boots. They also have these white boots right here. Honey, these are cute, fancy, pancy, mancy. Okay, I like these. Okay, you gonna be stepping. Let's see how much the price on these. They done took the price off of it. Oh, wait, hold on, child. $30. Nice. Burlington also have this crown spa headband and wristbands. I like this. $5. Really, really cute. And this is the only color that it comes in. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's personally was the BB. Okay, that sweater that they had, that little jacket, I don't know if you call it a jacket or a sweater. Absolutely, hands down, gorgeous, okay? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.